Okay, next I will introduce the big size, number 22 and number 32. They are mainly for commercial use, such as meat shop, restaurant, and so on. This one is number 22. It's made of stainless material. Use an industrial design. It uses high powerful copper motor. Capacity about 222 kilograms. Power is 1,100 watts. Look at this. This is locking. This head, industrial head. This one is reverse switch. If machine jumping up, this switch can help you. This one is 32. It's big size to meet your different requirements. If you own a big meat shop, you can use this one. Capacity about 350 kilograms 1 hour. This one is 222 kilograms. Other all same.